Industrial engineering. A hand tool manufacturer produces a product for which the value cost is $5.25 per unit and the fixed costs are $17,500. The company sells the product for $8.43 and can sell all that it produces. A. Write the total cost. C. A function of X, the number of units produced. And if you write the cost in the function X, we can write it this way. C of X is equal, so C of X denotes the cost. And is the cost of variables is we are taking here 5.25 per unit, which means we can write here 5.25, and instead of the unit we can write here X. It means for every unit the price is 5.25 that produces. So this is represent X, and the fixed cost here is as a constant. We can write plus 17,500. 17,500. So now we have the cost as a function of X is written is equal to 5.25x plus 17,500. Now says write the profit as a function of X. But before we write the profit, we have to find the revenue. And the revenue, let me write in the revenue as a function of the X. The revenue is the units the company sells, the product that sells. And the company sells the product for 8.43. So each unit sells for $8.43. It means 8.43, and instead of the units, we don't know how many units, we write X. And now we have now enough information how to find the profit. And the formula to find the profit is, let me erase this. The profit is equal to the revenue minus cost. The RX is minus CX, minus the cost, C of X. But here, before I go any further, just let me write in here P of X, because the profit we are finding as a function of X. So therefore I am writing here P of X. And P of X is equal, now instead now of this denotation revenue, we are plugging in the values, which is R of X is 8.43, 8.43x is a minus, let me put here in parentheses, and let me write the cost. The cost is a 5.25x, and is a plus 17,500. So now we just calculate everything what is inside here, and we find the final answer for the profit in terms of the function X. And the profit in terms of the function X is going to be equal, now 8.43 minus 5.25 gives us a 3.18x, 18x, and now we have here a negative sign, time positive is a negative, and is a 17,500. We just drag the number here, and we got now the final answer for the product, for the profit as a function of X. So this is the P of X is equal to 3.18x minus 17,500.